So now we clear all the tracks where we're gonna put all our chemicals, and we are spraying the product so it will seal and it will be waterproof. Just to protect the base and the metal. I reorganize my shelf. I already primer all the metal with waterproof sealer. First row is Bengals, everything about Sager sauce, Bengay, Super Sealer, Deep Blue, all the Roxy, Eloquence, and Cap, Tsunami of course, and Cold Red. Product about Top Spot, MCAP Pro Concentrated, Top Spot, Pro Chen Talon Grout, Pro Chen Roll Fiber Rings, Neutral Cleaner by SEP, 10 and Below by Sager Sauce, Oxyal by Infinity Chemical Products, Clorox. Here I have Antifoam Concentrated, Cherry POG. This product that I use a lot by Advance, Ultimate Car Clean, and this is Brow Haze by Advance too. I already took half a video of this product. This is for urine odor stain, the rinsing, hydrogen peroxide. So now here I'm gonna put my single bottles. Okay, so here is for my clients that they use green products or products that are not strong, houses that are already clean just for maintenance. No need to use hard products. Mr. Mayer is a really good product. I like this product. If the bathroom is in middle condition, it smells so good. Mayer's Lemon Verbena. I have the concentrator right here. Love it. So Methodo, Salt, Salt, Mr. Brown, Stone Care for granite and stone shine, all the Method antibacterial toilet, stainless steel, and dust and clean, Bar Keeper, Mayors. Lysol, love it. Ecolab, this is a really good product, Gel Pro. I have a video talking about this. And rinsing of finish. This is a sanitizer by Ecolab, Pledge, glass cleaner. This product is amazing. It's to odorize. Really smells really good. Lasts forever. I love this product, Glass Glam 4, to do windows, a lot of windows. Concentrated measures I have on the bottom part. Heavy stuff, that's the oil cleaner that I bought in Sam's. This is a rust cleaner. This is the super high acidic bulk cleaner, really good but really strong. And this is the bottle that I use for Bengals, for this product. In this area, everything about Advanced Cal Clean, Advanced Ultimate. This is the Cal Clean sprayer, wood cleaner, laminated hardwood, and brand new products, and Granite Clean and Seal by Advance. So everything like a pharmaceutic for each client, whatever they need. And the floor came really good. and the white looks white. So we are rearranging the reel for the dissolution tank, and I need to organize the bottom part. So far so good, thank you.